Okay. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming once again into this YouTube channel, Live Signals with Precise Trader. Okay, this is today's US session, and today is the date 8th October in the night 21 hours. Okay. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of the future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose and use the information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade before you put in your trade. And also do take note that now we are enhancing our services. Uh, we are providing daily market insight twice a day on WhatsApp and Telegram. If you are interested in getting this info, please register with us. Send us your details to this number +659 444 233. And we provide weekly market outlook every Monday, which is 1500 hours. And we have already started providing live signals 1600 hours and 2100 hours every day. So every day we have been giving signals. Then what we will do is the next session we will follow up, and of course if we have any opportunities we will trade, and if you have the time, then of course we would teach you any system, knowledge, so at least you can better understand how we work. Okay, we also provide weekly, twice news trading, and once a month learning the system last Friday of the month. And we are also going to start workshop. Okay, this is going to be a precise trader method. This is once a month, and this will be the Saturday of the month. About 20 hours, 20 hours. So basically, this workshop is is for those people who are interested in joining us and taking this as a career. Especially if you think that you want to join us and you want to join our team, then definitely we want you to attend this workshop, so at least you understand. And we if you really want to join us, then we want you to work in our way. That's the only way we can have a similar language. Okay. Let's change. Okay. So we have taken some trades. Okay, and that I will update to you. And there is no data out tonight. Okay, so today is expected to be either the market may be a quiet session, or we may get a range trading. Okay, of course we need to know the range, then that would be better for us to see how that means just go for a small profit, and just expect the market to be very quiet. Okay, the trades we are into. Okay, we are long dollar Swiss. Okay, at 85.65, and I think this pound. I think just now my order was filled. Okay, this order is filled. Okay, this is also, I'll say, order is filled. Okay, this is supposed to be automatic, but sometimes because of the spread, then we get this thing here. Okay, and this also is filled. Okay, euro also, I think we have taken the trade, and euro CAD also is, I believe, is also filled. Okay, so all these trades we are in. Uh, okay, this is 149.40. Okay, so we have four trades that is filled, and we are working on it. And I think just now the gold, I think we had a misprice. Okay, we're supposed to be making about 100 pips. I think we didn't get the entry filled. Okay, we tried to sell at 54 half, but unfortunately we didn't get filled. We should have lowered it, but because we were concentrating on other trades, so we missed it. So this is supposed to be a 100 pips move which we should be taking, but we missed that move. Okay, anyway, now we let's see. I'll give you, two or three trades, then followed by how we can manage the trade. Okay, let's go into the system. Okay, we are seeing okay, dollar Swiss is showing some strength. So that is, I think we are already into the trade. Uh, then we are seeing euro weakness. Okay, on the 2 hour chart. Okay, 2 hour that is showing weakness. Pound is still not shown the weakness yet, but we are seeing some weakness on the 15-minute and 30 minutes. So this is also worth considering. Okay, dollar yen. This is being a bit choppy. Moving on either directions, up and down, up and down. So this is also, we got to be a bit careful on that. Then Aussie CAD and all this we will see. Then we'll see whether any crosses to we see. Okay, before we proceed, let's see whether the trades which we have taken, whether should we hold the trade or should we close or do some changes. Okay, EuroCAD we have shorted at 149.80. Okay, so EuroCAD we are shorted at 149.80. Okay, right now, okay, what has happened is this. I'm going to tell you what is the price action. Okay, price action meaning what we feel. Okay, there's two things which I'll be telling you. One is time control, then trade control. Trade control means how we are going to manage the trade. So on this note, if you notice, okay, if you look at your 360, okay, this time control, if you ask me, is either 360 or 120. Okay, so if it's because both are pointing down, and this is we still have another 2 more hours left. So what is going to happen is for the next 2 hours, either the market will break this low or it will be within this range, which is 149.90. So if you look into the trade control, okay, trade control, what do I mean by that? That means we are going to manage the trade and we are going to take decisions, when the trade control or the trade moves in the opposite direction. So looking at this, we feel that, okay, this is still safe to hold as long as the price doesn't go above 1995. So I think our stop is 15005. Okay, I think we can put it as 95 if you want, but I think you can leave it, it's okay. So the only thing what we got to do as a trader, what we got to do is we just sit in front of the screen, just monitor the trade, put a 1 minute chart, and we see the time remaining. We have 2 hours. So we have to ask ourselves whether are we in the safe zone or danger zone. Okay. So when we say safe zone, that means once the price breaks this low, okay, we are in the safe zone. Once the price breaks this high, then we are in a danger zone. So we have to sit in front of the screen. We just have to relax. We don't have to do anything. Maybe probably you just want to listen to some music, whatever you want to do. Just concentrate just on this. At the same time, you want to listen to music, you can go ahead. So all you got to do is now you see here. Now the price is moving up. Okay. So you see now the time is 9:09. Okay, 9:09. That means 21:09. So for the next 6 minutes, we shouldn't be seeing this price going up. So what is going to happen is after that, then 15 minutes, then it should start to come down. But overall, this price action should be within this range for the next 2 hours. So this is how you manage the trade. The checks we need to do is, okay, we need to do a few checks. Okay, I'll tell you. The first check is whether the price is below the open or above the open. So on this note, on the 120, this is above the open, but your 360 is below the open. So that first check is, okay, this is saying that, okay, this is still safe to hold. Then the next check we need to see is whether we have seen the pivot high or short term high, we call it. Okay, the rule of the game is for a pivot high is, a price is seen, a pivot high is made when the price is made the highest high, and the condition is, we got to look for one more candle before the highest high. That means when this happens, we will take this candle as a referral point, and the price has to close below this low. Okay, I think there was somewhere here we get a close here. So this is the second check which we are supposed to do, and which this market has passed. That means, when I say pass, that means we can still hold the trade. We are still can hold the sell until this is working its way out. Okay, so now the next check is after the price has come down. When we see the price moving up, this side we should get a lower high. Then that would be a third check. That means that is a third check that gives us a confirmation that the price is turning. Then finally, what we do is we look into the 1 minute moving average crossover. So once this crossover happens, this is also indicates that this market has made a high and this is expected to go down. So this market has passed all the tests for a sell, and we would be holding this sell and to see whether the price breaks this low. Okay, the problem is because the market today is expected to be quiet and range. So I'll give this market another 2 hours. So if this 2 hours, if this market doesn't move as I expected, then I may close the trade and I'll just move forward to the next trade. And this is how you keep yourself day in, day out and doing the trade. So for this, we hold this Euro CAD. Okay, the next is Euro US. Okay, we'll just check a check. See again, this is when we look into your 360, this is below the open, 15 minute. Okay, looks like market is range. So this is the high and low, and we have seen a pivot high here. Okay, 1 minute moving average crossover happened, and the only thing is we should see the price moving then coming down. So this, the only that test is still not passed, so we have to wait, and of course this is a 50-50 chance. The same thing, I'll hold this trade until another 2 hours, 1 hour 45 minutes, and if the market doesn't break this low, then whatever the market, whatever the price the market is trading, then I may close and exit. So this is the trade for euro dollar. Next, pound. Pound we shorted at 131.05. Okay, this is trading near the open. Okay, this is a 50-50 on the turning. So we look at the pivot high. This has not given us a confirmation of the high. Okay, two test is not very clear. Then the third test also we have not seen a moving average crossover happen. So that means pound looks like it has not cleared none of the tests. That means all the 4 checks which we did. So there is a risk on this trade. So you got to make sure that, okay, this market, if it comes down, then we are in the safe zone. If it goes up, then we are in the danger zone. And this has got a a risk that this market still has not given us a confirmation of a reversal. Okay, so now the next thing is dollar Swiss. Okay, dollar Swiss, we were long at 360. Okay, we were long at 360. Sorry, 85.65. Okay, above the open, market has made a low, and this has also crossed on the 15 minute. So this is quite far. In fact, we should have bought at 45 or 50. So we missed by 15 pips, which we shouldn't have entered that. But of course, we still have to be in the trade. So we still uh, move forward. Okay. So next, 1 minute also crossover, looks like this is coming off. So now what this market you should do is the same thing. You use this benchmark level as a guidance. That means as long as the price doesn't break 85.55, we still hold this trade. Okay, and we'll wait for another 2 hours. We'll wait for another 2 hours, and if we get the profit, of course we take the profit. Otherwise, we will just close and let go and wait for some other trades. So, like I told you, today being what how shall I say? Today being uh, just give me 1 minute. No data, and market looks very quiet. So we are not very optimistic to put in more trades. Okay, if you want, I can give you one more trades. I think the gold has been moving. In fact, we feel that this market has already we missed the move. In fact, we missed the move. We should have been in the trade. At least we would have made that 100 pips we were looking for, but we missed it. Okay. Anyway, we will do maybe gold and see, because this is moving up down up down. I think almost like $10. I think 2 rounds it made already. So this is I think this would be a viable trade we can look for today. Okay, the time control is 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours and selling. Okay, selling, and we have 360 also on the selling mode. Okay, so overall we should be holding the sell on this. So next, the target for this market. What we are expecting is the target should be still, there is a very high chance that still it can go lower, and it may test today's low, which is 30. It may test today's low, and it may even go lower. Okay, it all depends on whether that today's low holds or not. But this market has got plenty of weakness to be seen. Okay, plenty of weakness to be seen. As long as the price is trading below, until at least until the next 3 hours, at least 8 o'clock, 9, so 9, but another 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. So we can look to short this market. Okay, we can look to short this market. Okay, what we see, let's just quickly run through, and maybe I can give a signal on this. Okay, as expected, the 6 hours, 12 hours, all weakness. There is no buying force involved, only on the weekly. Okay, weekly we have 2 strong selling forces and 1 buying force. Okay, so this is a weekly, and overall I think we should be holding a sell. Okay, sell, and we should be looking for lower prices. Okay, the next thing is where do we sell? Okay, that is a million dollar question which we need to ask ourselves, because the swings are pretty wide. Okay, we can sell at, we should be looking to sell either 47 or 43 half 44. Okay, these are the two levels we can sell, and the stop loss is definitely above excuse me, 52 half. So this would be the stop loss. So overall target, we if we see that 39 breaks, we can expect the price go towards 31. Okay, 31 next level or even lower. So the weakness is expected. Okay, so now let's go to the trend map and see the 15 minute is 47. Okay, 47. I think 47 is where I want to go for a sell. Okay, let me, yeah, market looks weak. uh, okay, we can do two ways. One is it all depends on whether are you a aggressive trader or conservative trader. If you are a conservative trader, then try to sell near 45 half or 46 half. Aggressive trader, we can sell at 43 half. Okay, 43 half, 44 half, and see whether the price breaks the 39. Okay, if the 39 breaks, okay, if the 39 breaks, where is 39, huh? Okay, this is where the level, if this level breaks, then we may see the price extending towards 35 and 33 half. Okay, and of course the major level is 28. If the 28 breaks, then we can see 22, 20 or even 14. Okay, so this has got a huge opportunity, but of course we got to monitor the trade well. Okay, and the condition and the tips I'm giving you is, whatever your price, your price, you should lock in your price profit before 2 a.m. Singapore time, 2 a.m. So you should be either expecting this target to reach by 2 a.m. or whatever the price you see, you try to exit around that level. Okay, so I repeat, okay, maybe I can give you a signal based on this. Okay, this is going to be a momentum signal. I want to sell gold. I put it as 44 half. Okay, 44 half, stop at 49 half, $5 risk, and the condition is we have to see the 39 breaks. Okay, if the 39 breaks, we should be able to see 33. Okay, let me check with the system. Yeah, about 33 or 31. Okay, 31. So probably we may want to put it as 32. Okay, so this 120 pips move. So this expiry, I'm looking at probably I just want to give about one hour, because it's a bit risky on this. So I'll I'll see this, if this trade gets filled, then probably I'll monitor this and try to get a big profit. Then on the other hand, I think the miss entry which we missed by just a few pips, we should have made this 100 pips, we missed it. So this one, I want to lower it to 48 half. half, $5, and this one we put it as 40. Just now what was the level? 39. Okay, 39, 40, 40. They will put it as 40 half. Okay, this one I will give a bit more longer time until 23:30. Sorry, I have not changed the screen. Huh? Okay, so we have changed this order. The day trading which we have missed entry, that one we are trying to enter again. Then we are trying to take a momentum trade on the gold. Okay, the condition here is, okay, we are expecting do see whether the 39 breaks. I think in fact this is trading around this 39. So if the 39 breaks, then we should see 32 half. So I'll give you two tips and two tips or conditions. Make sure that the 39 breaks, we should see 32 half, and even may test 28 half, which is the previous low. Okay, 28 half. So if the 28 half breaks, then we may see 20 and 14, 2614. So these are the levels of target which we can expect. Okay, the next tips I'm giving you is, all this should happen by 2 a.m. Singapore time. So I'm also giving you the timing also. So you try to trade this, have your focus, and give until 2. Unless if you are awake until 2, then you see whether you see this price target hit, then you see what, and tomorrow we can discuss on this. Okay, so this is the uh, trades which we have given. Okay, any other questions or anything you want to discuss? I think because today there's not much data in, we expect this market to be a bit range trading, moving here and there. So we just have to be a range trader for today, until tomorrow. I think tomorrow we have New Zealand data out. New Zealand interest rate, I believe, is it tomorrow? Let me check. Yeah, tomorrow morning, New Zealand data out. I think that should be a good move. And tomorrow we have crude oil entries. I think the climax is Thursday. Thursday we have CPI, the US CPI. So that would be a very important data to look for or look forward to. Okay. Uh, any questions? Okay, if you have no questions, okay, thank you very much for coming into this session. If you think that we are doing a good job, okay, please subscribe and give a like. Next, also please share it with your friends. Then also give your feedback so that we can give you a better service. Feel how you feel, whether I'm being too fast, too slow, or so on and so forth. So just give us your feedback also, so at least we can also do a better service to you. Okay, thank you, good night, see you again tomorrow, bye.